Welcome back to my inconsistent YouTube channel. My name is Hunter Hart. I am sometimes a professional photographer. And I have COVID, unfortunately, so I figured I would do a video at home of me doing self-portraits because that is how I learned how to pose people, and who not better to practice than on myself. Did I say that right? Who better to practice on than myself? Is that right?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna show you people of the YouTube world how I go about taking self-portraits. So, let's jump right in. Oh, and guess what? By the way, I have new presets. Check them out right here. Boom, go watch. In order to make this challenge a little bit more relatable and easier for people to understand what I'm doing, I'm gonna use a few cameras, including my iPhone, because most people have iPhones. If you don't, you can still use your Android. So, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go find an outfit. Tacky?
For Thanksgiving?
Yeah, but it's just not. It's got a bottle opener too. That could go into a photo pretty good. Me opening up a bottle, like.
Do you have a bottle?
We need a tree. I have one bottle.
We don't have.
How red is it in here?
Yeah, more yellow.
That's pretty. Here, how about this? Why don't you help me find something?
What's like the goal?
The goal is to make a video. I'm not sure if it's like an ADHD thing or an artist thing, but I can't find anything. I've lost my Fuji charger and my extra battery, so this is fun. All right, I did find it, and it was in my Oath bag. You should check them out. They're pretty sweet. Boom, let's keep going. And this is the outfit that she decided to go with. The same thing I wear every day. Alright, so now I'll take some pictures. Where shall I go?
Upstairs.
I need my phone. Alright, so the Leica app sucks really bad, so I'm having to do this with a timer. So I'm having to manually focus everything that I do, or I could guess where the single point focus is gonna go, but I would rather just manually focus because I know exactly where that's gonna be at. So I'm gonna manually focus on the arm of that chair right there, and that's kind of where my face should end up. Second timer, this is gonna be a challenge. It's either 2 seconds or 12 seconds.
You want like a 5 second?
There's not a 5 second. There should be a 5 second. I need to work for Leica because holy shit, they've got some problems. Okay, 12 seconds. I'm just gonna walk over here. Damn, I wasn't even ready. Try it again.
You ever being cocky?
12 seconds is a long time.
Not as long as you thought. Right, that's right in front of your face, the paddle.
How many seconds do I got? This is cheating.
4, 3, 2. There you go, that was better.
You call this regular?
That's why.
Alright, so I call this one creeping on the neighbors. Pre-focusing.
your exercise today.
You made me move my eyes.
Sorry.
Alright, so this is a little more difficult because I don't have anything to hold my phone, unlike the rest of the world. But I do have a 3-second timer on there. Thank you for the extra second, iPhone. So I'm gonna set my phone here. So if you, let me show this here, do a screen. So if you hold down on whatever you want to be focused on, it'll bring up that box, and then you're able to pull down for your highlights and adjust your exposure. And that's kind of where I want mine to be. So I'm gonna see how this works. Did I take a picture?
Yeah.
All right, let's try that again. Just looking outside, you know. Okay. Maybe I should take the hood off. All right, cut. All right, so I'm setting my phone up on this ping pong table, as you can tell. That was like a nice silhouette. And that's what I'm gonna set up. At the same time, I'm gonna screen record so you can see what the hell I'm doing. How about that? And then you can see Sarah in the video as well.
Okay.
I might have to do a 10-second timer on this one. Alright, I need you to get out of the way. Ah. Did it take? Oh, that's pretty good. It did 10 bursts. As a suffering COVID patient, I have to keep up with my vitamins and all of my fruits and vegetables, which I never do. So I'm going to take a photo of me biting into this apple. I hope I'm in focus, because this is really weird.
You're not. Yeah, I guess.
3 seconds. I think 3 seconds should be good. Alright, one more. Sarah, are you tired of videoing yet? I don't know what to do. Here's an idea. Next objective is for me to run outside as fast as I possibly can within 12 seconds, stand in the middle of the road, shoot through a window, and hope to God that it works. 12 seconds is not a lot of time. So here we go. Gotta figure out exactly where I'm going. All right, I'm gonna open the door first. Should I go zipped up or unzipped?
It's cold. You probably want it zipped for that.
All right, so I'm gonna open the door first so I can trigger the remote, run outside without having to worry about that half-a-second issue. Hopefully a car doesn't come by. It'd be really weird. 1, 2, 3.
See if the door not being open stops him. Oh.
Oh,
running with COVID bugs. What'd you just do?
Ran into the wall.
What's he doing, buddy?
Did I make it?
Let's see. Yeah.
What does it look like I'm doing? I call this one constipated. 12 seconds on the clock. Put the thinker. When's the last time you took a picture pooping? Need to do it on my phone also. Yeah, this is slick.
Well, unless you can like prop it up against one of those bottles or something.
Alright, we're gonna go with that one. This is closer than I'm gonna get to that. How many more do I have to do? So the reason I do these things in front of windows is because just about everybody has access to windows or doors that have light coming through them. So I figured it'd be easier for me to do it this way so you can have something to do as well. So that's why I'm using windows, and it's easier. This cool little, not nook, but I guess that's where you like put your shoes or whatever. But I'm gonna have my, see if I can get it focused, my composition with me being here and these boxes is my foreground. 12 seconds. Now we're gonna try the phone. Let's see what we can do with that. Oh, hello. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. This is a way that I learn how to pose people quite often, is doing it myself, literally by myself. I'm actually using a lot of my new presets that I just released on my website. If you'd like to go check them out, I'm doing a Black Friday sale. And if you go in for the promo code, it's Black Friday 21, 21 numerical. So Black Friday 21. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace. Is that better?
I think they're both great.
Okay.